Hey everyone, welcome to the Creativity Cottage. I'm sitting here in the creative corner known as the Blue Sky Room. My name is Ben Sauer, and this is actually my first Etsy-based episode that I'm bringing to life in my Sauerpuss and Friends YouTube channel. You get a little look at who this ugly guy is that's actually creating the Sauerpuss and Friends brand. So you can tell this is a little bit raw because I'm not going to edit this. But anyway, I wanted to share one of the first items I thought what might be kind of nice to share here since we're nearing the Easter holiday. And this is actually something from my Sauerpuss and Friends Etsy shop. And it is a it's a cut and paste, I think is how I say it, cut and paste printable. And it's entitled, He is Risen. What I wanted to do was design something that was kind of simple and easy for parents to do with their kids. This is something you can actually color and then just cut out, and then you put the pieces together. So it's pretty simple, really. So as you can see here, this is the final product, which is kind of neat because you can talk about the story, you can talk about the cross, where Jesus was hung from and the fact that he died for our sins. But then you could also talk about the amazing miracle, the fact that on Easter morning, he rose from the dead and that stone was actually rolled away from the tomb. So you can actually pretend that that was really good. Woo, that was kind of fun. Well, anyway, you kind of get the idea, right? Okay, so let's go back here. And so what you get in this printable, you get 3 items if you were to get this from the Etsy shop. You actually get an He is Risen coloring page, so you can actually color this in with your children or your child. You also get all the pieces that make up this printable, and also I include some very, very simple instructions for you to use. So everything you need to do this craft. And as I mentioned, when you put everything together, it should look something like this. I think it's kind of neat because you have the sun rising on Easter morning, kind of again symbolic of Jesus rising as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this. If you don't want to purchase this on my Etsy store, which is Sauerpuss and Friends, I believe this is fairly easy to recreate one on your own. So either way, it's something that you can do with your kids to celebrate the good news that Christ is risen on Easter morning. So I hope you enjoyed that. And then also, as I continue to do these episodes that are kind of a creative or creator-based episode, I'll try to share some insights and some creative tips to help you be more creative, as well as being more creative with your kids on a number of topics, but primarily I'll be focusing in on creative art-based ideas. And for those of you who do not know Sauerpuss, actually have Sauerpuss right here. Hey, come on over here, Sauerpuss. Can you come over in here and say hi to us? Yeah, this is Sauerpuss right here.
Hello, everyone.
That's right.
I love to be creative.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, you're normally not here in the TV with me, or on the show. So anyway, this is Sauerpuss. Say goodbye, Sauerpuss.
Okay. So long, everyone.
We'll see him later. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this first episode, and I'm looking forward to making more. And if you'll bear with me, that was the first one. So trying to keep it real and not too scripted, because I believe that's the best way to share information with people. So you have a great day. And look forward to the next episode. And I always like to say at the end of the Sauerpuss and Friends episodes, be creative. And before I forget, if you'd like to see the episode that actually inspired this first episode, check it out. It's the He is Risen episode on the main Sauerpuss and Friends channel. So anyway, look for that. And it's a great way to kind of inspire your kids before they do this activity together. Okay, have a great day. Take it easy.